And hello guys, welcome back again to another video. Hi, I am Pao and this is my Scrafter.
The following preview has been approved for appropriate audience. Motion pictures created by Crafter. Watching videos is advised. Visit our website for more videos. www.bytescrafter.com.
So what we have here today, well, not just the latest product, but something that's very affordable to those who just start their gaming career. And yes, that is no other than the Logitech G231 gaming headset. I ordered this in Lazada a couple of days ago, which kind of way fast shipping than the other online shop. So here is the packaging, and let's do the unboxing. So this is the box. Unfortunately, it's not really in good condition. There's a lot of scratches and the box is already deformed. Well, maybe due to shipping. But it's okay, it's not a big deal because what most important is what is inside this box. And hopefully it won't damage the product inside. And now, let's start opening it. So this is the product, and this one is very lightweight, soft round headband that I think really comfortable to wear. And also twisted ear pad may be designed for our head shape. Aside from that, this pad is also replaceable, which you can buy also online. The Logitech logo is also visible in both sides, as well as this gaming headset model. Moving on, speaker is made by rubber, very flexible and tiny. And you know what? The good thing about this gaming headset is adjustable, can be used by children also, that I'm pretty sure that will fit perfectly. And I hope you will never get wrong using the microphone and volume controlling, holding it upside down. G231 is very easy to connect to devices. This wired headset connects by a 3.5mm jack, and that's all. You're done. So this is what it looks like when wearing the Logitech G231 gaming headset. Same with the Logitech G230 and G430. This particular G231 is exactly the same in terms of design, which offers large headset all over the ear cuff and headband, and a flexible mic that you can move in any direction, which really gives comfortability to the user. And now let's move on with the test recording. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Bytes Crafter. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Bytes Crafter. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you. The mic did a perfectly fine job of capturing my voice, was clear and audible, but the mic picked up a ton of background static as well. You can also just mute its mic if you're not actively talking. The headset is also incredibly loud, but increasing the volume can be cranked it up to an ear-splitting level.
Next day.
Hi, hello guys! Dumating sa Lazada ngayon na doble yung Logitech. Ito. So, this one is 2,500 lang. Yung isa na binili namin sa ECPC shop is nasa 3,000. So, this one is sa akin na lang, dumating kahapon sa kanya. So, hindi ko alam kung legit to kasi mura talaga eh. Kung sa mall, yung regular price sa mall is 3,400. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. This is the package, same brand, same design, but in two different shops. But this one is almost 500 pesos cheaper than the first one. So let's see if they both the same. So now you can already see how good seller packed his item. Still in its original plastic wrapper, no scratches and deformed shape, unlike the first one. So let's move on inside. So as you can see, same with the first one, it also got a memo and the item itself is still in its plastic bag. Got also 6 feet long cord and its 3.5mm jack. Old G231 was in the left and the new one is in the right. Same size from ear cup to mic and to its 6 feet long cord and jack. Logitech logo are visible both sides and also its product or item model. Overall, this gaming headset is on top as for beginner's headset. But when it comes to recording, can be still used, but it's still got a little static at the background. But I am pretty sure you won't regret buying this gaming headset for quality materials, but in a very affordable price.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe. More to come. Click here to play this video.